How do you make a miller happy? With an efficient, highly productive plant. To put a smile on the miller's face, the plant must include flour treatment. It must detect and expel metal impurities, sift the flour to remove non-metallic foreign bodies and insects, and include an infestation destroyer to guard against insect eggs. Precise weighing. Packaging or bagging with the relative automation systems. Sealing of the full bag. A sealed pack is a guarantee for the consumer. It's clean on the outside and prevents dust during handling of the bag. And so, as well as ensuring environmental health, it complies with ATEX regulations by reducing or eliminating the explosion risk. Quality control with metal detector, weight checking and bag marking. Traceability systems. Palletization. Wrapping or hooding systems. What's more, if the plant needs very little labour, that's even better, as all millers know. First requirement for a happy miller: an efficient, highly productive plant. What else gladdens the heart of a milling entrepreneur? A plant that adapts to the building and not vice versa. There is no doubt that a plant designed to suit the building, also in ergonomic terms, gives greater satisfaction for a lower investment. The plant must be able to minimize overall dimensions, provide good access for maintenance, comply with labor-saving principles. In a compact, easily accessible plant, just one person oversees the whole process and supplies consumables as necessary. Just one person. Second requirement for a happy miller: a plant that adapts to the building, operated by just one person. Right. So far, we've seen that an effective, productive plant designed to suit the building that houses it and engineered to be operated by just one person will definitely gladden a miller's heart. But this is not enough. What else does it take to make a miller happy? A plant designed for the present, but ready for the future. Modularity is the key word, because we all know that before long the business will need a line that is larger, more productive, faster, more complete. So the plant must be of the size needed today, but expandable for the business of tomorrow, synchronized and well matched, with every machine efficient on its own and in combination with the others. A plant designed to be modular in every part is efficient and effective and enables today's business and tomorrow's too. Third requirement for a happy miller: a plant just right for today's business and ready for tomorrow's too. So we've got to our third requirement for happiness. We still have 3 left. Let's move on to number 4, a plant that allows the maximum environmental health. Health equals better business. The more environmental health the plant allows, the less time is wasted on cleaning. What does a plant have to provide to transform environmental health into a reduction in costs? A suitable extraction system, easy access for cleaning the machines, trouble-free access to every zone to prevent build-ups of dust, a breeding ground for insects. A plant designed to offer the maximum environmental health is a cost-cutting tool. Fourth requirement for a happy miller: a plant that allows the maximum environmental health. It makes economic sense. And now it's time for our penultimate requirement for happiness. Here we'll be discussing intrinsic safety and extrinsic safety. A machine designed to be intrinsically safe allows more effective operation. Every machine has to be safe, that goes without saying. But all also know that too many intrinsic safety devices, such as casings and gates, create impediments to access and encourage risky practices. In other words, to speed things up, workers get round them, with very serious risk of accidents and liability for the company. An intrinsically safe machine, on the other hand, is designed to have as few extrinsic safety features as possible, so no impediments, which guarantees the highest level of safety in daily use. In other words, to make a miller happy, machines have to be designed to be intrinsically safe. Extrinsic safety devices must be reduced to the minimum. Fifth requirement for a happy miller. Intrinsically safe machines eliminate the cause of accidents. Now we come to the sixth and last requirement for happiness. Who should sell the machines or complete line? Is a dealer better, or is the constructor better? Let's see. A plant needs continual service and must evolve constantly. Anyone selling plants must be able to provide at least 30 years after-sale service to their purchasers. But if the person selling them is a dealer and not a constructor, how can he guarantee this? To make a miller happy, the plant's vendor must have many years' experience, 90 years preferably, be a constructor who designs the complete line, and not a mere supplier of loose parts that make up jigsaw puzzle lines where some pieces might not quite fit. Guarantee parts and services for at least 30 years, meaning for the average lifetime of a plant. Sixth requirement for a happy miller, a plant sold must be assured after-sale service for at least 30 years. So, now we have all the requirements needed to make a happy miller. How do you make a miller happy? 1. With an efficient, highly productive plant. 2. A plant that adapts to the building and not vice versa. 3. A plant designed for the present but ready for the future. 4. A plant that allows the maximum environmental health. 5. An intrinsically safe machine allows more effective operation. 6. A plant needs continual service and must evolve constantly.